Man, this goggles. And I am mad as hell. I had my first celebrity beauty pageant that I was going to get a chance to be a judge for. They called me and said they wanted me to be a guest celebrity judge. Now, my wife left me, so I thought this would be a good way for me to get back on my feet and doing what I need to do. When I got the call, I was elated. Normally, I'm mad as hell, but at that moment, I was happy. I get my flight and everything together, and I'm flown to New York. And when I get to New York, they say to me that the location has been changed and we're going to have it actually in Idaho. I should have known something was up. This goggles, and I'm mad as hell. I get to this place, the hotel room, the actual pageant is the next day. I get to this raggedy hotel, and I got my bags in my hand, and I can't believe this is where they want a guest judge to stay at. I should have known. But that wasn't the worst part. I get to the event, they show me where to sit, and it's this wooden chair that I'm scheduled to sit in, this creaky looking little stage, spider webs is in a couple of places, and I'm really starting to be alert, super alert to something negative going on here. And I'm goggles, and I'm mad as hell as I'm sitting here. Then they start the show. The first person came out, my mouth damn near hit the floor. The second person came out, and my mouth was on the floor. The third person came out, and this time my damn mouth had detached itself from my jaws and is laying on the ground next to a couple of dead roaches and spiders that was underneath my feet. And I stood up and I said, I'm goggles and I'm mad as hell. I can't believe y'all want me to be a judge of an ugly goddamn contest with these people in here. So I stood up, and I couldn't believe they was trying to have a beauty pageant with ugly people.